The math that's in the redesigned SAT is the math that matters most. One of the things that I'm really excited about the redesigned SAT is its focus on students' ability to use the mathematics they learn to solve real-world problems. That is really what most of college readiness and career readiness is about. One of the things that's really exciting about the redesigned SAT is that they're pulling in materials from science and mathematics into the reading portions of the test. I mean, these days kids need to be able to read graphs as well as paragraphs. The ability to analyze scientific information is as important as the ability to read text, to reason quantitatively, to model, and to think about how to use mathematics. So there is also this distinction between the calculator section and the non-calculator section. But one of the things that I think is good about having the non-calculator section is that it's going to signal to students that there are some skills, algebraic skills, that you want students to be fluent in, that the SAT will have some questions that require ability to reason and think. Although the ability to analyze problems and think about what's going on in them also comes up in the calculator section. The part that you want to be getting at with your assessment is whether students can take a modeling problem, a real-world problem, and think of a mathematical representation of it. It's about depth, and it's about doing a few things really well. The things that have been identified by research, those things that have been identified as really determinative of college readiness. You know, in the end, why do kids learn mathematics? Most kids think they learn mathematics to get into college, and a lot of students have the goal of stopping learning mathematics as soon as they possibly can. I want students to see mathematics as something that's useful in its own right, something that has meaning in its own right. I want students to get the most out of their education.